this is Valley with Vibrant Lips by Valley, and today I'm going to go over how to apply LipSense. If you haven't heard, LipSense is the original long-lasting liquid lip color that literally stays on until you take it off, and I'm talking up to 18 hours, which is amazing. So before you get started with LipSense, one of the most important things to know is that it's actually a three-part system. So you start with the color, you seal with the gloss, and then there's also a remover to take it off at the end of the day, or to fix any mistakes that you may make. When applying LipSense for the first time, it's important that you apply it properly. So the first thing you want to do is take your LipSense color and shake it up. Okay, so you can hear that little ball in there. So there's actually a little ball that is moving around and mixing all of those color particles, and that is going to ensure that you get the most even color possible on your lips. And then what you want to do is make sure your lips are clean and dry. So I already cleaned my lips. I'm just going to make sure that they're dry. Okay. And then you want to make sure that you hold your lips taut, and you're going to apply 3 layers on the bottom and 3 layers on the top, and you're going to go in the same direction. So you're going to hold them kind of like this. Okay? So layer number 1 for the bottom. There you go, layer number 1. There's layer number 1 on the top. Then you want to let it dry in between each layer. And then you're going to do the same thing 2 more times. So wipe off the excess. Okay, there's 2. And then layer number 3. Okay. Let it dry. And then once it's dry, you're going to seal it with the gloss. And I'm just going to use the original glossy gloss because it is the most hydrating and the most moisturizing. And as you can see, I'm almost out of it. Look at that, no color. And then you can rub your lips together all you want. Okay, and then say you made a mistake, or at the end of the day you want to change colors, or if you're going from daytime to nighttime, then you're just going to wipe off any gloss that still remains, apply the ooze remover, let it soak in, and then rub your lips together and then wipe it off. And since you apply LipSense in layers, you're going to want to take it off in layers. So you're going to use 1 layer of ooze remover, let it sit, rub your lips, wipe it off, and do another layer, let it sit, rub your lips together, wipe it off, and then you'll do that at least a couple of times to help remove all of the color. Alright, and there you have it. That is how to apply LipSense. This is one of our new limited edition colors called Mauve Magenta. And as you can see, it doesn't come off. Bye guys.